Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use cross-references in Microsoft Word. A cross-reference allows you to link to other parts of the same document. For example, you might use a cross-reference to link to a chart or graphic that appears elsewhere in the document. The cross-reference appears as a link that takes the reader to the referenced item. So here I am in my document, and this document is actually some random text that I have generated from internet. Human population growth over time. You might have your actual thesis or some other factual document, but you can use the procedure that I'm going to describe. For example, the reader reads this paragraph till here and still he thinks that there is not much in this particular paragraph and he needs some more explanation. In that case, we can actually link this particular part of the document to this picture, which is actually a sort of explanation of this text. So we can actually cross-reference it. Over here you can see the graph for further details. So simply select this text like this, go over here and click on cross-reference. But before doing this, we should have captions for our figure. So simply right click over your figure, go to insert captions and give it a caption right in this address bar. Right now it has automatically picked this figure 1 and I'm pretty much satisfied with it. I would simply click on OK, and there you can see we have this figure 1 caption inserted right beneath this figure. Now we can go right over here. So I'm going to select this figure 1 from here, go to cross-reference, and out of these given options I'm going to choose this figure for which the caption is already picked up by Microsoft Word. Simply click on insert and close it, and there you can see figure 1 for further details. And if you bring your cursor right over this figure 1, you can see it says Control plus click to follow the link. Now simply press the Control key and you can see your mouse turns into a hand, and if you click over here it would take you immediately to the referenced figure within the same document. Now you can actually see it, read it, follow it without scrolling through tens of pages. So this is how we can actually insert cross-reference in our Microsoft Word document. So that was it for today's brief tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.